In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a resume using Zety Resume Builder. Now, the link for you to go to this page is in the description. You can use that. So when you come to this page, immediately you see all of this information. What you want to do is to create your resume now. So click on this button and it takes you to this page. Now, you're going to have to answer this question. How long have you been working? In my case, I'm going to say 3 to 5 years. And now it brings me to this page and it prompts me to choose my resume, to choose a template. Now you could change the background from here. I could make this dark blue. I could make it orange. I could make it red. I could make it this cyan. And when you click on this, it gives you some other shades of the particular color. So in my case, let's say I want to make it something green. I'll use green. And then you can filter the template. You can use one with a photo or one without a photo. So I'll just say, let's say I want to use one without a photo. I don't want to show my face. And then columns. You can choose one with just one column. And of course, you can choose one with up to 2 columns. So I'm going to use probably this particular one. I'll click on that. And then I'll click on choose template. You can also go, if I come back here, you can see, you can choose the template later, but I'm just going to select this particular one. I'll just see without photo, and then it should be 1 column. I'll select this one and I'll click on choose template, and it's going to say, you can upload your resume now? Yes, upload from my resume. I'll just say no, start from scratch. I'll click on next, and it's going to say by selecting create your resume, your content will be permanently delimited. I'll say continue, create new resume, and it's applying that template. Now this is the template we have. This is it on this side. It's going to ask me some questions. Your first name. I'm just going to add my information here and go to next. I've added my information, my name, my profession, my city, my state, and all that. I'll just click on what next, which is work history, but you can preview it from here to see how it's going to look. Click on work history, and then why do you need a resume? I'll say I'm job seeking. I'll click on next, and it's going to ask me, let's work on now. Let's fill out your work history. I'll click on next. Now I can put all my information here. On my job title, I'll say video editor. Yes, I'll put that, and then I could say Google. And then location, I'll just say Palo Alto. That is that. Date from, let's say, January 2021 to January 2024. Or you could say you currently work here. And then you could click on next. It's generating personalized content for you. You just have to wait. And it's going to say expert recommendations for video editor. Created short-term videos, animated GIFs, and all that. Yes, I'm going to use these recommendations. I'll click on that. So those are already added here. You could also add these particular ones. I could add these ones to my resume. You could remove some, you add some, and then I'll click on next. So it now tells me work history summary. This is the summary. You could also add a new position here if you like, but I'm just going to go back. I'll go to next, my level of education, my education. And what you want to do here is now to add your education, where you schooled. Let's say I have something like a master's degree, and then you could put the school name here. I could say Yale, and location, I don't know where Yale is. I'll say New York. Anyway, whatever. Degree, Masters of Arts, field of study, video, and it's going to be, yes, I'll say film and video, and then I will say January 2020, and then I'll go to next. Then it's prompting me, you can add another degree if you have any other. Say next to my skills, and I'll go to next. It's going to ask me for my skills here, and it will generate some recommendations. I'll just add all of these: graphic design, Premiere Pro, photography, and all that. I'll add skills. So these are the recommended ones. I could also add these ones: multi-camera editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, all of that. And if there are any others which are not listed here, you can also add them by yourself. And then I'll go next to my summary and next. So it's going to give me some ideas. We've got some ideas for your professional summary. I'll click on continue. And it wants me to accept any of these recommendations. I can click and add these recommendations. Add that video editor with a proven track record at Google, enhancing all of that. And then this particular one too. Now, if any of this does not seem good to you, you could change some stuff here. Just bring your mouse and you could give it some space. You don't want it to be too cramped up. You could give it some space. And then you could add the number offering. Let's say it says adaptable video editor offering, let's say 4 years of video editing success, talent in assembling raw footage. And then here I will just say DaVinci Resolve. So you don't want to use this text with these things here. Any employer is going to know you're just bluffing. So you can edit all of this. You can also use their AI to generate your script here, to generate your text. And then area of certification, certificate in, I'll say graphic design, paired with all of that. And then I'm going to say next, extra sections. Now you can add all of these. You can add all of these. I'll just go to next. I'm not going to add all of this. I'm just going to next. Then it says, looking good. This resume template is optimized with smart applied technology to rank higher. And the next, we want to see how it looks. Great job, John. Got it. I'll say got it. And then it shows me all of this. I can still edit from here. If there's anything which I think does not need to be here, I could click on edit and it's going to bring me back to this screen and I can edit from here. I'll just see. I think all is well. Now, even at this point, I could still add my picture. If I decide to choose another template like this particular one that has a picture, I could decide to use this one. In this case, I'll need to upload my photo. So I'll just click on that. And it's going to prompt me to upload my photo here. I'll go to my computer and I want to upload this particular photo. Let's say this is my image and draw this out. So let it fit there and I'll see set as resume. And then I'll click on next. So this is my resume. This is my resume. You can still change the template from here. I'll just leave it the way it is. And from here, the next thing you want to do is to download this. You can download it, you can print it, you can email it. So if I go to download, it's going to ask me download resume as Adobe PDF and Microsoft Word plain text. And the resume name, I'll leave it at this. And I'll say download. And it's going to prompt me to create an account. I'm going to log into my account, or you can create an account if you don't have one yet. And if you already have an account, just say already have an account and you can log in and keep me logged in, whatever you so desire. In a nutshell, this is how to use Zety Builder to create your resume. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section and I will answer you immediately. And don't forget to use the link in the description to get Zety. And please subscribe to my channel. Peace.